In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to resign on chess.com quickly and correctly. Whether you're playing against the computer or in a live match and realize the position is lost, knowing how to resign properly is an important part of good chess etiquette. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do it in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple chess and tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to chess.com and start a game. This can be a game against the computer or a live match against another player. Once the game has loaded, you'll see the chessboard in the center of your screen, and on the right hand side, you'll find what's called the game panel. This panel contains all the controls you need during a match, including options like draw, abort, and resign. Now focus on that right side panel. You're looking for a small flag icon. This flag represents the Resign option on chess.com. It's designed to be quick and accessible so players can end the game without unnecessary delays when they know the outcome is decided. Once you've located the flag icon, go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This step is important because it prevents accidental resignations, which can be frustrating if clicked by mistake. In the pop-up window, you'll see the option to confirm your decision. Click on Resign, and that's it. The game will immediately end, and it will be recorded as a loss for you. Your opponent will be awarded the win, and the match will be closed. It's worth mentioning that resigning is considered good sportsmanship in chess, especially when you're clearly in a losing position. Instead of letting the clock run out or making random moves, resigning shows respect for your opponent's time and effort, and that's all there is to it. As you can see, resigning on chess.com is a very quick and straightforward process once you know where to look. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy to follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.